Hello everyone, this is Hanan and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel Tech with Hanan. Viewers, in this video I will let you know how to earn money online. First, if you know this site about Fiverr.com, I will let you know about this. And to earn money online without investment, yes, you can earn money without investment. What you need to do, first step number one is to learn any skill which is demandable in the online skill market. Now the question is how to know which skill is in demand in online market. Fiverr.com is an amazing platform for the new users to earn money online. Now when you open the Fiverr.com, you can click any, as I click on website design. Now if you explore this website, graphics and design, in graphic designing there are a lot of things to learn. You can see logo designing. I will in next upcoming videos I will let you know how to design a logo, and you can see gaming, art, illustration, social media. I mean, the number of skills you can learn and sell your skills to the buyers here. You can see in the print design and many things. If you go in digital marketing, social media marketing, SEO, local SEO, content marketing, video marketing, email marketing, I mean the number of skills, you name it and you can find it here. Writing and translation, you can see, explore this website and learn one skill at a time and master that skill. Suppose if we like simple skill, video editing, you can see a video editing. Now here you can see video editing. Let me edit your videos according to your music. You can edit videos with music in 24 hours. See 16 reviews. Let me check. 16 reviews and 1 order in queue. You can see how much worth it is. 326 reviews here. You can see you can earn money by just editing videos. You can the professional softwares, if you talk about the professional softwares, are number of softwares. You can just like top softwares for video editing. Just Google it. Best you can see. Let's open this first website. Go down. See, Premiere, Cyberlink, Premiere Pro. I personally I like this Premiere Pro and this Premiere Elements, and you can download this software. Just learn this video editing. If you go music and audio, just voiceover, just like that I'm doing the voiceover with the screen recording. The number of ways to earn money online, but you need to learn a skill, like the business here. You can see, let's open any other category and a different category. If you see in the business, okay, it's a little bit could be a difficult online tutoring. If you are a good teacher, you have language, you can teach language, math, other subject, science subject, business subject. See, French teacher, 58 reviews. It means 58%, at least minimum 58% bought the services of this seller and 3 orders in a queue. You can see here So what I would suggest you to, if you're a student and you want to earn money online, just go to this website. This is a, I mean, if you want to get a start to earn money online, this is amazing platform. Fiverr, you can just go and explore the each category, each skill, and see in which skill you have interest, and in which skill you can do the wonders, and choose that skill and learn that skill. Now the point is how to learn. Today is the world of internet. On YouTube you can find every skill you can, whichever you want to earn, you can whichever you want to learn, you can learn on YouTube or many other websites. YouTube is one of the best platform for the free. If you don't want to spend the money, YouTube is the best platform. But other platforms are there. You can buy the courses of different by the different tutors, and here you can see, just explore this site, and I hope you will find a skill, the number of skills here. So let's close this video, let's end this video. Share this video with your friends, and I hope you will like this video. I will obviously create more videos for you, and in the next videos I will let you know about a simple skill, how to earn a master a skill like logo designing and different poster designing, how to do that, some basic editing. I will let you know. Share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.